desorptions, then it is observed that desorption is totally opposite phenomena than adsorptions. So we have to write it. It is totally opposite to. We can say opposite to adsorptions. Now in adsorption phenomena, molecule attract on the surface and concentration will increase. But in desorption, we can say that due to increase in a temperature, either we can increase in temperature or decrease in pressure. Anything will have possible. Decrease in pressure. Now this molecule which are present on surface, if we are increasing temperature, then they left the surface. Left surface. When this molecule left the surface, their concentration decrease on surface. Such a phenomena is considered or known as a desorption. So desorption is totally opposite phenomena than adsorption. When we increase temperature, either we decrease the pressure, then the molecule which are adsorbed on the surface will left the surface, and such a phenomena is considered as a desorption. मैं उसका आपको एक अच्छा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. सपोज हम किसी मॉल में गए, हमने अपना वॉशरूम में जाके अपने हैंड क्लीन किए, फिर ड्राई करने के लिए वहां पर ड्रायर अवेलेबल होगा. जैसे ही हम अपने हैंड ड्रायर के नीचे रखेंगे, हॉट एयर विल बी ब्लो on our hand. So क्या होगा कि due to hot air, the water molecule which are present on surface of hand will evaporate, and due to this temperature of hot air, molecule of water left the surface and our hand become dry. So this is the best example of desorption phenomena. Now we have to understood about absorptions. So what is meant by absorptions? Then we can understood by using this nice example, adsorptions. Now, suppose we have taken one glass of water. Now in this glass of water, here I will add yellow sugar. Now, suppose we have a sugar, इसको purify नहीं किया, उसका color होता है yellow. Now yellow color sugar is added by us. Then what will happen that slowly this water become yellow in color. This entire water become yellow in color. Sugar will slowly dissolve in it, and entire solution become yellow in color. When solution become yellow in color, means its concentration is uniform throughout. Such a phenomena is known as a absorptions. So we can say that what is meant by absorptions? Then if molecule spread, or we can say diffuse, molecule spread or diffuse uniformly. Molecule spread or diffuse uniformly means its concentration is equal thoroughly. Then such a phenomena is known as an absorptions. So when in a glass of water, when we add yellow color sugar and we shake it, then entire solution become yellow in color, means molecule of dye or yellow color disperse thoroughly. Such a phenomena in which molecule of gas diffuse, or we can say that molecule of dyes diffuse thoroughly in a solution, then this is considered as an absorption. Now in this, suppose I am adding a activated charcoal. Now here this I have added is nothing but a activated charcoal. So when I will add activated charcoal, then once again opposite process will start. What will happen? That yellow color particle of sugar solutions or dyes will start to adsorb on the surface, and once again intensity, जो color की intensity वो decrease होगी. When I will add activated charcoal, yellow color intensity decrease. Then yellow color intensity decrease is due to adsorption. Such a phenomenon is considered as an adsorption. So when I will add yellow color sugar, entire solution become yellow in color, then this phenomena is absorption. This phenomena is absorption. After this I have added activated charcoal. When I will add activated charcoal, yellow color dyes particle or yellow color of sugar particle will adsorb on the surface. So solution की yellow color की intensity वो कम होगी, it will decrease. Then such a thing is considered as a adsorption. Now here you can observe that one by one this phenomena occur. Now two words which we already studied. Once again I would like to repeat. Here this activated charcoal on which adsorption occur is known as a adsorbent. It is known as a adsorbent. While this yellow color dye, we can say that this is yellow color dye or molecule of yellow color dye is known as a adsorbent. Now sometime it is observed that sometime this adsorption and absorption occurs simultaneously. It occurs one by one. Then this is considered or known as adsorption. So what is meant by adsorptions? When adsorption and absorption occurs simultaneously. Suppose पहले absorption हुआ यहाँ पर, then adsorption हुआ, then it is considered or this phenomena is known as adsorption. For example, इसका example study करते हैं. Now hydrogen gas on palladium surface. Palladium is a metal. On hydrogen gas on palladium surface, first it will be adsorbed. It will be adsorbed. When it will adsorb, it means its concentration will be more on the surface. But after some time, this hydrogen gas start to penetrate this surface of palladium. Then it is observed that then it will be absorption occur. Then it will be adsorbed. So here first adsorption occur, then absorption occur, then it is considered as adsorption. So we can define sorption in this way. When adsorption and absorption occur simultaneously, means one by one, then such a phenomena is considered as adsorption. Now one more example of adsorption phenomena. जब अभी आप नया कंप्यूटर परचेस करते हो या लैपटॉप परचेस करते हो तो आपको एक व्हाइट कलर का पाउडर मिलता है. This powder is nothing but a silica gel. So when we take silica gel, it has a tendency to adsorb water molecule. So we can say that silica gel will adsorb water molecule. But suppose I have taken I have to write it here, on surface of the silica gel water molecule will adsorb. I will write it here, this molecule will adsorption occur. But suppose I have taken a calcium chloride, then on the surface of calcium chloride it is observed that moisture molecule will absorb. Absorption occur means it is spread thoroughly or uniformly. So we have two different examples. On the surface of silica gel, water molecule will adsorb. Means adsorption occur. Its concentration will be on surface maximum. But when calcium chloride we have taken, then this moisture molecule spread thoroughly, uniformly. Then such a phenomena is considered as absorption. So there are a lot of difference, or we can derive three difference between adsorption and absorption. In phenomena of adsorption, concentration of molecule will be maximum only on surface. So it is one type of heterogeneous phenomena. In case of absorption, molecule diffuse thoroughly, uniformly. So it will be a one type of homogeneous phenomena. Due to adsorption, surface energy will decrease. Here no change occur during an absorption phenomena. On the surface of silica gel, the molecule of water will adsorb. On the surface of calcium chloride, molecule of water will absorb. So my dear students, in this lecture we have understood about what is meant by adsorption, adsorbent, adsorbate, desorption, absorption and sorptions. यदि आपको मेरा लेक्चर अच्छा लगा, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next lecture.